Hello, sisters and brothers. This is a cause of lots of distractions. Everyone is aware of this thing. This is a mobile phone, and this is a huge distraction nowadays because everyone is consuming a lot of content which is not essential, which is not needed, but they are being distracted. They are just scrolling down reels and shorts and etc. But here I am going to tell you, use this mobile phone in a good manner. I am also distracted by this mobile phone for so many reasons, but here I am going to advise you for learning English. Why should not we use this smartphone for improving our fluency? Why should not we use? Didn't you get this idea? Didn't you get? I know your screen time maybe 5 to 6 hours every day. You are consuming a lot of content. You are watching movies, web series, and etc. Why should not you take 2 hours from these hours for learning English? You must snatch 2 hours from these 6 hours for learning English. If you are able to give 2 hours for spoken English fluency, for your English fluency, it is enough. It is more than enough. Rather than consuming a lot of content every day. I'm not saying that you have to stop consuming everything. I'm just saying if you are consuming a lot of content, just consume in good manner. Consume for learning skills. Consume for English speaking skill. Everyone who just want to improve here, everyone is coming for learning English on my channel. They want to improve English. They want to speak good English. They want to be fluent. But they don't want to use mobile phone in good manner. Only this is that thing that will help you to improve English. Everyone knows that mobile phone is the only thing that is going to help us because we don't have the access of offline classes, offline English speaking class. So we don't have the access because we come from village areas. We come from that area where we don't have the good teachers who can teach us. Even there are no the teachers, they understand English, they can speak this. So only this can help us. Only this. So why should not you use this mobile phone in a good manner so that you cannot waste your time in irrelevant things rather than using this smartphone for irrelevant things? Use it for learning English so that you can make good things out of it, so that you can make good things out of it, so that you can learn good things out of it. So I am just saying you use mobile phone in good manner. There are lots of things. By using those things, those apps, you can learn English by yourself at home. That is good thing. That is the real thing that I am telling. Because everyone is learning English who just want to improve their English, who just want to improve the communication skills, who just want to learn new kinds of skills, money making skills. They are using mobile phone. Only mobile phone is helping them a lot. Despite being distracted, despite using mobile phone in bad manner, the guys who are using mobile phone in a good manner and they are learning so many good things. So I would highly recommend use a smartphone in good manner for learning English. Even I say YouTube is equals to 90% of your English learning. Your 90% of English learning comes from YouTube. Only YouTube. Guys, this is the reality. This is the reality. Because YouTube is giving you a lot of content, lot of relevant content, essential content that you guys can consume and learn. That is very helpful. And rather than YouTube, you can use a smartphone for making videos. I'm not saying that you have to upload. I already have uploaded a video about making videos. Here I am going to repeat. Make a single video per day on different topic. Just choose a topic every day and start speaking. At least 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 20 minutes. It depends on your energy level. It depends on your capacity. How much the capacity you have depends on you. Just make every day. Just speak about one topic every day. Just speak over one topic. But I am saying this, if you are a beginner, don't worry about the apps. Don't worry about different apps. Just two things are needed. Only YouTube and mobile phone camera. And apart from Google Translate or ChatGPT for improving vocabulary, for learning new kinds of phrases, daily life phrases, modal verbs, use ChatGPT. This is enough. This is enough. You don't need to be wonder for so many things. You don't need to look for so many things. That is what I wanted to conclude here. That is what I wanted to say here.